Alrighty, Dan, here's your 408 subscriptions come in, tested of RS cascade, custom grind hydraulic roll, got the Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, got an Eagle rotating assembly for our custom DSS pistons, got our front end on it, make sure the alternator charges for you, go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 495 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 522, peaks horsepower 513, so rated at 500, so it's really good. Got a front end on it. Pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things here. When you leave your engine, find this thing looks credit cards, USB cards, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. You need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. On the back side there, it'll have a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff, so have a great day.